So hi guys, this is your friend Riyank, and today we'll be discussing the three stocks which you should watch out for next week if you wish to make money out of the market. Now before we begin, we are going to do a quick review of our last week's stocks and we are going to see how they performed. So the first stock which we discussed last week was Adani Power Limited. Now Adani Power was discussed somewhere around 112.55 and it almost went up 48.29% till 166.90. The second stock which we discussed last week was Jindal Poly Films, and that stock almost went up 14.75% from the discussed levels of 833. The third stock which we discussed last week was Morphin Labs, and that stock almost went up 9.8% from the discussed levels of 60.80. Now, with a strict risk management and position sizing rule, considering a risk of 1% per trade with a very strict stop loss, it was almost a net profit of 4 to 5% for the week. Now, we'll be discussing the three stocks which you should watch out for next week. So, without wasting much time, let's go. Now, the first stock which you should keep on your watch list for next week is a company which has a chain of diagnostic and preventive care laboratories. Now, this company is particularly based out of Navi Mumbai. It has almost 1122 outlets and collection centers across India. Yes, you guessed it right. The company's name is none other than Thyrocare Technologies. Now we'll be going and seeing the chart of Thyrocare Technologies. Now this is the chart of Thyrocare Technologies. Looking at the monthly chart, I was able to see a breakout which happened somewhere around October 2020. And now given the fact that stock has given a successful retest of the breakout level, and it is prepared for a fresh rally above 1212. Now looking at the daily charts, what I'm able to see is I'm able to see a very, very clean breakout which has happened above 1212 on Friday's trading session, with a stop loss of 1050 with a potential upside of 25 to 30% from current levels. Now the stop loss on downside is coming somewhere around 10 to 15%, and an upside of 25 to 30% might be seen from Thyrocare Technologies in the coming week. Now the second stock which you should watch out for next week is a company that market copper cathodes, copper wire bars and continuous cast copper rods. Now, more than 90% of the sales of this particular company is from the cathode and continuous copper rods. Yes, you guessed it right. The company is no other than Hindustan Copper Limited. So now we'll be going and seeing the chart of Hindustan Copper Limited. So this is a chart of Hindustan Copper Limited with us. We saw a very, very clean and clear breakout somewhere back around February, March 2021. And looking at the daily charts now, I personally feel that, this trend line which is being formed from the levels of 114, which is connecting somewhere around this level, I think that Hindustan Copper has a potential to go up almost 25 to 30% from current levels. I won't be surprised if the stock doubles from current levels also. With a stop loss of 150 on the downside with daily closing basis, I think, this stock is ready to go towards 200 and possibly 300 in the short duration of time. And looking at the copper prices on the global markets, what I'm able to see is that the copper prices are trading almost at the all-time highs. Now, looking at the copper prices trading at the all-time highs and seeing such amount of strength, I personally feel that Hindustan Copper has a long way to go. Now, the third stock which you should watch out for next week is an American multinational company which has a chain of hamburger fast food restaurants. Now, this company is headquartered in Florida, and the company initial name was in 1953. It was known as Insta Burger King. That's absolutely right. The company is involved in quick service restaurant, which is also known as a fast food restaurant, which is a specific type of restaurant that provides and serves the fast food restaurant cuisines. The stock price is absolutely none other than Burger King India Limited. Now, looking at the chart of Burger King India Limited, what I can see is I can observe a very, very clean breakout which happened above this particular high of 157.50. And given the fact that the stock is consolidating since a very long duration, I am expecting some massive up move on the stock next week. Now, with a stop loss of 144 on the downside as a daily closing basis, I think that this stock is ready to go towards 196 and 213 odd levels. So this was the third stock which you should watch out for in the next week. Now, out of these three particular stocks, One of the stock I like very much for long term is Thyrocare Technologies. I think Thyrocare Technologies can prove out to be a potential multi-bagger in the long term. Now, of course, the risk which is involved on the downside for long-term stocks is a little bit higher than what we play for short-term and shorter time duration. But I personally feel that with a stop loss of somewhere around 900 to 850 on weekly or monthly closing basis, Thyrocare Technologies might be a potential doubler towards 2500 or 3000 odd levels. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and let me know the feedbacks and suggestions below in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming updates and more videos like this. I hope all of you have a profitable week ahead. All of you take care, stay safe, and stay blessed.